Hello and welcome back to another Python 3.7 tutorial. My name is Tom with MasterCode Online. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at tuple concatenation, a very simple tutorial since we have seen concatenation with list and strings. It's same concept, alright? So let's go ahead and say A is equal to a list of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, and let's go ahead and create another one. Let's do B is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, and let's do one more. C is equal to 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Alright, and we're going to concatenate these all together. D is now going to represent a new tuple, A plus B plus C, and call D, and there you go. Just one important thing to remember about this is we're creating a new tuple. We're not modifying any tuples in its place. So there you go. That's how you concatenate tuples in Python. If you have any questions, please let us know. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next tutorial.